Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Rock? Rock? Mineral? Mineral. And Pornamu. Greenstone. The most precious mineral of all. Whee! Wow! What's wrong, Newts? It was an accident, I swear. I just peeked out the window and there was Burpee in his shower. I'm sorry, Burpee. I didn't mean to. He's right. A frog does need his privacy. For sure. Especially when he's showering. So what should we do? I'm on it. I'll build a wall in front of Burpee's fuddy. And then he'll have a little fence. A taiapa. That way he can shower in complete privacy. That's a great idea, Newts. Well, I think we need to put the wall here, and it should be about, this high. Just let me sketch out some quick plans. Presenting my latest invention, the Burpee in the shower privacy wall. Ka pai! Good job, Newts. Problem solved. Whoa! These sticks just aren't strong enough to stand up to the wind. You're right. What can we use to build a wall that's strong and won't fall over? Ouch! Careful of that hard rock, Darwin. That's not just any rock, Newts. That's Greywacky. There's lots around here. That's it! We'll build the wall out of rocks. But we'll need a lot more. Where can we find lots of rocks? The stream! Let's go and get some rocks. Lots and lots of rocks. Let's go and get some rocks. Lots and lots of rocks. Rock on! Here we are. Rocks galore. Load up the trailer. One more rock. That should be enough. Let's head back. Uh-oh. The rocks are so heavy, the trailer is sinking in the mud. Hop on and pedal, Newts, and I'll push us out of here. Kia tere! Hurry, Darwin! This mud is so slippery! Keep pedaling, Newts! I'm pedaling! I'm pedaling! Oh, come on! Good job, Croquette! Okay, let's get this wall built. Right, we have the first row done. Now, Let's put another row of rocks on top. Whoops! It's not that steady. Try to use really flat rocks if you can. Whew. Phew! Moving rocks is hot work. You can say that again. Moving rocks is hot. Funny, Newt. Finished! Oh! Finished! Kia ora, guys. Anyone for a cold drink on a hot day? Yes, please. Do you want some too, Burpee?
Hey.
All right, here you go. Henny, look out! Oh no, I'm so sorry, guys. It's okay, Henny. It wasn't your fault. Newt is right. The wall wasn't stable or solid. Now what do we do? I'm not sure. Wait a minute. Look at this. The mud is all dried up and hard. This could be the answer we're looking for. Let's science this. Dirt plus water makes mud. Then, when the mud dries out, it's hard and solid, like cement. That's it! We should be able to stick mud in the cracks between the rocks to keep them from falling over. Titiro, look! There's mud all around because Burpee's been running the hose. The mud slides right into the cracks. It should work. We'll need a lot of mud. More than what's around here. And I know just where to get it. Follow me. Wow! Muddy! Okay, let's get mushing. Okay, another rock, please. Burpee! All done. Now that is a nice rock wall. But is it strong enough? Better test it out. Come on, Newts. Ah! Yep, it's strong enough for sure. But is it private enough for Burpee's showering? I'll check. Nope, can't see you. See you. Can't see you. Yep, I would say the wall works. Does it ever? Come on. Good job, Darwin. This is such a special wall. We should have an opening ceremony. Wait, right here. Huh? Okay, this will make our wall really special. Wow, what beautiful rocks. Actually, these are all minerals, Henny. What's the difference between a rock and a mineral, Darwin? Well, a mineral is all one thing, like salt or gold. And rocks are made up of a bunch of minerals stuck together. Cool! And to officially open Mr. Burpee's new wall, we will have a special stone ceremony. Henny, you go first. Put your mineral in the mud. There you go. This one is amethyst. Very pretty. Your turn, Newts. Nice, Newts. Some people call that fool's gold, but it's really called iron pyrite. Burpee?
Wait.
And that is an agate. Now my turn. My grandpa Caudle gave me this mineral. It's the most precious mineral in my collection. Pornamu, or greenstone. There! Wow! That wall looks amazing! Car pie! Good work!
Oh.
Miharo! Awesome! Where did Berkey go? Well, we can't see him anymore, but we sure can hear him. Head to DarwinandNewts.com for more.